Is exhaustion making you frustrated and irritable? Stress relievers will help to restore calm and serenity to your frustrating life. You don't have to spend a great deal of time or reflect on stress relievers. If your stress is getting out of control and you need instant relief, consider one of these tips. Subscribe and activate the notification if you like the video. Number 6. Drink water. Drinking water is a simple way to reduce your stress. Pay attention to how the water goes from the cup, through your mouth, and into your stomach. Number 7. Breathe deeply. Just breathe deeply. Try to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale for 7 seconds. Number 8. Listen to relaxing music. Music is a great way to relax. Putting on some classical, Celtic, or Native American music can be very helpful at relieving stress. Number 9. Play with animals. Playing with an animal is a great way to reduce your stress because it releases oxytocin, which is the chemical that promotes a positive mood. Number 10. Learn how to say no. Many people find themselves in stressful situations because they don't know how to say no. If this is the case for you, just learn how to say no. Subscribe for part 3 if you like the video.